But children's respiratory syncytial virus cases are on the rise at Hurley Children's Hospital in Flint. Good afternoon, everyone. Thanks for joining us. I'm Terry Camp.
And I'm Dawn Jones. While anyone can get RSV, doctors say in infants and young children, they are more vulnerable. Our Alyssa Irwin here live in the studio this first at 4, and she spoke with a pediatric doctor. And Alyssa, what did the doctor say is the peak of the illness right now?
You know, Dawn, Terry, Dr. Yassine Rafi says RSV is hitting now, citing it may be starting to get back to the normal months of January through March, years after the pandemic. He's calling the change significant.
Last season, we had it much earlier. Two seasons back, we had it in the summertime. So we think that COVID and kind of masking policies before and staying home and no school kind of shifted the usual pattern that we see.
Parents, common things to look out for is difficulty breathing or fast breathing. If your baby has underlying health conditions or lethargic and is not feeding well or also discolored skin, that's when an ER visit is needed for kids under 2 years old.
That's where you worry about, causing them some significant inflammation in their chest.
Go to the urgent care or pediatric doctor if your kid is 4 or older and shows signs of a common cold or long-time fever. There is testing that can be done. For babies under 8 months, there is also an RSV shot.
It's a recently approved antibodies. It's not vaccine per se, but it's more of a medicine that gives your body protective antibodies.
The doctor says he's seeing kids in the hospital with RSV who are receiving breathing treatments, having low oxygen, and requiring fluids.
Tell from my experience about admitted sick patients in the hospital, I think we have probably 5 to 10 kids every day in the hospital.
Dr. Rafi says RSV transmits through contaminated surfaces, sharing utensils, and being around an infected person. Everyday preventative measures can help limit the spread of that virus. In the studio, Alyssa Irwin, ABC 12 News.